Now, once again, there's a massive fire that's broken out at the Ghazipur landfill site in Delhi. Huge fire that broke out this evening. Efforts are being made to now douse the blaze. There's a political fight that's also broken out over this, but this is the same story that we see every single year, leading to unbelievable pollution levels across the national capital. Promises have been made, none fulfilled. Political parties have failed to really crack the whip and do something about the Ghazipur landfill and the number of such fires that are reported every single time. The BJP now has lashed out at the Aam Aadmi Party, at the Delhi government, saying that this is criminal negligence by AAP. You can see in the images of your screens how bad the situation really is at the landfill site, as multiple fires have broken out here. There are efforts that are underway to put out the fire, but obviously endless challenges, not just because of the heat, but also because of how massive this landfill is. Even for equipment or vehicles to go in is a huge challenge. You can only imagine the kind of health risks that emerge because of this kind of fire and the polluting elements that are now being spread across pockets of the national capital. And this isn't new for Delhiites. It's something that we see almost every year, every single time when peak summer hits. And while several parties, governments have come and gone making claims that they will address this issue, the reality at the end of the day is that the people of Delhi suffer this predicament almost every single year during summers. Now, as we're getting you these images of the fire, and you can see the thick plumes of smoke that are also emerging from the Ghazipur landfill site, BJP is now targeting the Aam Aadmi Party government, pinning the blame on them for this particular fire once again, saying that this is evidence of criminal negligence by the government and the fact that they've done nothing to address this crisis. Remember, you've had Arvind Kejriwal, who's even visited that landfill site many times, promising that he'll address this. You've had members of parliament from the BJP also who've gone there and promised that they will address this crisis, and yet nothing has been done so far. Efforts are being made right now to put out that blaze. It's definitely going to take a couple of days at least to bring this under control, because there are pockets of fires that have been reported across this landfill.
ये देखो, ये वाली दे रहा हूँ।